In this video, we are going to cover how the Auto Validate Tenders checkbox works within the Cloud Retailer point of sale software. So depending on your personal preferences, this can be turned off or on. What we are doing is we're referring to, in the point of sale screen, we can see we have a total here of $4.93. If the cashier types in for any of these tenders 500, the system is going to say, hey, that's more than the amount owed, tender the transaction. Now the flip side of that is sometimes if there's a miskey or things like that, there may be, or maybe a cash back situation, you may want the system to actually not auto complete the transaction or auto tender the transaction. So here's how you do that. First, let's close this and we go back to the Cloud Retailer Manager. We are going to go to Admin, and then we're searching for our device register list. Click on device register list. Select the point of sale station that you want to make the changes to by clicking the box next to it, and then going over to edit selected register. And then where this is controlled is called Auto Validate Tenders. And whether you have this off or on depends on how the system will handle over tendering, or basically the amount can be more than the sale, but it won't automatically close out the transaction. And this is something you can kind of adjust according to what works best for you. Once you have it figured out, you can hit save and close, and then allow a minute or two for the point of sale part of the software to do its sync. This little thing up here. You can do a manual sync, or you can just wait and see, make sure it updates, and then close out the point of sale, restart it, and then again just test it to see how it works within with your staff, with your cashiers and that, just to see what works best within your business. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.